Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got an exciting and powerful tutorial for you: how to create a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. In the digital age, online privacy and security are more important than ever. While many VPNs promise robust protection, only a few offer real control and customization. Dark Tunnel VPN is one of them. It allows you to create and configure your own servers for maximum privacy. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to visit our blog. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll generate our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once the homepage loads, locate the menu icon, usually displayed as 3 horizontal lines at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal more options. From the menu list, choose V2Ray Slow DNS server. This section lets you create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS for extra flexibility. Now, select your preferred server location from the available options. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your custom V2Ray server will be created, and all connection details will be displayed. Next, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN and press Enter. When the app appears in the results, tap on it to go to the download page. Press the Install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, tap the 3-dot menu at the upper right corner to expand the options. Tap on Config File, then tap Import. Now choose the clipboard option to paste your V2Ray config. Once the data is imported successfully, go back to the main screen and tap Connect. In just a few seconds, your device will be connected to the newly created V2Ray VMess server, giving you a secure and fast-speed internet connection. And that's it. You've now created your own V2Ray VMess server and connected it using Dark Tunnel VPN, boosting your online privacy and unlocking fast, secure internet access. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and hidden VPN tricks.